Once you're inside the camera, at the top of the screen, you'll notice a small arrow pointing up toward the notch. Go ahead and tap that arrow. When you do, it will bring up more settings at the bottom of the screen. You'll see several options, and right there you'll notice a small clock icon. That's the timer setting. Go ahead and tap on that timer icon. Now, you'll see 3 options appear. You can set the timer to off, 3 seconds, or 10 seconds. If you tap on 3 seconds, your camera will wait 3 seconds before snapping the photo. If you select 10 seconds, it will wait 10 seconds. As soon as you select your desired timer, you'll notice the icon turns yellow, which means the timer is active. Now when you press the shutter button, you'll see a blinking countdown on your screen, and once the time is up, the photo will be automatically taken. It's super helpful if you need a few seconds to get into position for a selfie or a group shot. And that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.